Hey guys, so in this video I am gonna show you how can you connect your Ubuntu VPS with RDP. I am gonna install full Ubuntu desktop. For this video I will use Google Cloud Platform, but if you want you can use Azure or any other service provider. You have to create just one VM instance of Ubuntu. But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Okay, so this is my Google Cloud Platform. So firstly, create a project. If you already does not have a project, create a project. But I have a project, so I selected that. Here you have to firstly go on Compute Engine and VM instance. Here click on create. Give it any name and select your region. And your zone can be anything. And I am gonna using a 8 GB RAM and 2 vCPU instance. Okay, here you have to change the Debian to Ubuntu, the operating system. So here Ubuntu, and I am gonna using the latest Ubuntu 20.04. And here is the disk. You can do anything, I mean you can give anything, but I am going to give it 50 GB. And here allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic. This is totally optional because we are gonna using we are gonna enable the firewall as well, so it gonna take some time. After that go to network details, click on firewall and click on create firewall rule. So here give it any name. The operation will be ingress. Okay, I mean the direction will be ingress, and um, select all instance in the network. That mean all instance in my git pod will be using this firewall. And here select service account. That's mean all instance with this service account in that git pod will be using this firewall. And here in port you can specify a port. Right now we need 3389 to be publicly available. You can do it like that, or I am just allowing all traffic. So after that create. So as you can see I mean the firewall has been created. After that go to your Google Cloud Platform again and go to your Compute Engine. Now click on that SSH, and this is the instance I am connected with. So firstly I logged in as a root. After that let's update the instance by doing apt update. And we need Taxel to install the Ubuntu desktop, or that apt install Taxel, sorry, Taxel. Nice. And after that we are gonna running that Taxel by simply write Taxel and press enter. So as you can see this is the flavor of Ubuntu and some other softwares. So here go to Ubuntu desktop and press space and hit enter. You can use anything, but I am gonna using Ubuntu desktop. Here press space and enter. So it gonna take some time, maybe 15 minutes to 20 minutes to complete the process. So just Ubuntu desktop has been just installed. Now we need to install XRDP. So XRDP I mean, so it will allow us to connect it with RDP. To install XRDP you have to apt install XRDP and y. Now XRDP has been installed. Now we have to allow 3389. For that UFW allow your port slash that protocol, I mean 3389 slash TCP here. Okay, nice, everything is done. Now let's restart the XRDP by service XRDP restart. Nice. Now you need a user to connect with that, so we already have some users. Go to home directory and you will be find some users. So here I have two users, T projects development and Ubuntu. So go to I will use T projects development. For that PASSWD and T projects development, it gonna tell you to set a password and set a password for that. This will be your T projects development's password. Okay, now go to your Google Cloud Platform and copy your IP. I'm gonna using our Windows default XRDP viewer. So here paste your IP and your port like that and click on connect. So it gonna ask your username and password. So this is a username and the password you just selected, I mean your user's password. You can do it, you can connect it on root also, but I will not prefer to connect with root. So this is my Ubuntu. So here you have a Firefox as a browser. You can install like Chromium etc. To log in as root, open your terminal and sudo I, and you can use this shell as root. So I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.